In this video, I am going to show you a very simple strategy that you can implement today and start making money in passive income with CPA marketing. Literally, I am going to show you how to use this website, rightsonic.com, in conjunction with idplr.com. Don't worry, it's a very simple method and I am going to show you how to do everything in this video step by step. Alright, and if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online, CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos as well. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page right here where you can enroll for this course and start making money in passive income with CPA marketing. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into today's video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to sign up for this website right here. It's called rightsonic.com. So literally what this website does is an AI software that generates content for you without having to sit for hours to generate content on your own. So literally all you need to do most of the time is to type in some keywords and this tool is going to generate content for you in seconds. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to this website right here. Absolutely free to create an account on this website, although they have a paid plan, but with the free plan you can get to generate some articles for absolutely free. So the first thing you want to do once you have your account created, you want to come over to this section that says Quora answers. So you want to click on this section right here. Once you click on this is what it's going to look like. All right, so now you are going to move to the second website that I talked about in the beginning of the video, which is idplr.com. So once you head over to idplr.com, you want to come over to this section that says latest 100 products. All right, and then you want to click on this link right here. You want to click on this latest 100 products, as you can see right here. So literally this page is going to show you the latest 100 products that are being added to idplr.com, which means the product, they are very recent. All right, as you can see right here, this one was published on idplr 6th of April 2022. As you can see, this one as well, March of April. So basically these are very recent products. All right, most PLR websites don't publish new product as often as idplr does. As you can see, if I scroll down, there are a lot of products on this page that you can use with this method. So what you want to do with this product is very simple. So you want to look at the product. As you can see, this one here, I'm going to be taking this one as an example. So this product right here says affiliate marketing A to Z. So literally, you know what that means. It's going to teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. So I'm going to open this product in a new tab. So as you can see, idplr also allows you to download any of this PLR products for absolutely free. All right, as you can see right here, you are literally going to learn everything about affiliate marketing with this product. So the interesting thing you are going to do from here, all you need to do is copy the keyword of whatever product that you decide to go with. As you can see, this product right here is about affiliate marketing. So literally what you want to do is copy this keyword and you want to head over to Quora.com. So once you come over to Quora.com, all you just literally need to do is come over to the search bar and paste in or type in the keyword in the search bar. This is very important. You don't want to click on this space. All right, so you want to make sure you choose this search option. All right, so you want to click on this search. So once you click on that, you can see there are a lot of questions on Quora regarding affiliate marketing. So what you want to do from here is very simple. So now, before you start answering any of these questions, and don't worry, this is what this tool is for. This tool is what is going to be answering the question. You don't need to answer the question yourself. So I'm going to show you how to use this tool to answer the question. So now you want to go back to idplr.com and you want to download this product. So all you literally need to do is click on download and you have to create an account to download the product. And also creating an account on idplr is also free. So once you have your account created, you will be able to download this product for free. So once you have it downloaded, you are going to go with any of these free file sharing website of your choice. As you can see, we have Google Drive here, we have Microsoft OneDrive, we have ShareFile, Dropbox, ZBShare, and other options out there. So basically, these are free options that you can use to host the product you just downloaded from idplr.com. So once you have the product hosted on any of these file sharing websites, all you need to do is come over to your CPA account, be it Cpagrip, Ogads, Hardwork Media, CPA Build, or whatever CPA network you're working with. All you just need to do is click on Create Content Locker. All right, so once you have that selected, all you just need to do is give your locker a name. So I'm just going to name this one as sample, and you want to make sure if you are using Ogads, you want to leave it as unload. All right, and then you want to click on this section that says redirect URL. So this is where you are going to be pasting the link to whatever product that you are promoting. So once you get to this section here, like I said, you want to make sure this redirect is selected, and you want to paste the link to the product you just uploaded on whatever file sharing website you're working with. All right, so once you have that selected, you want to go to the advanced section, and you want to choose the number of conversions that you want. You can set it to 2 to 3, whatever you want is up to you. And you want to also set the access time. You want to leave it at default. Usually it's always 60 minutes. Now what you want to do from here, you want to basically come to this section, and you want to make sure you type in something here that is very eye catchy and going to make someone want to complete your content locker. As you can see here, this is an example right here: affiliate marketing made easy. So people who are interested in affiliate marketing would definitely want to check out what you have locked. And also you can see right here, depending on the amount of offer that you decide you want your visitors to complete, it's up to you. So if you want them to complete a single offer, all you just need to do is type in or write something simple like complete one offer below to get instant access. All right, you want to make sure you let them know once they complete the offer, they will get access to the content right away. So basically, this is all you need to do. You don't need to do any complex stuff. All you just need to do is type in something like this, and then you want to click on this create content locker. All you just need to do from here is to copy the link of the content locker. All right, and then you want to make sure you create a landing page for this. It's very important that you do so. I've mentioned the advantages numerous times on this channel, because if you use the direct content locker link, you will most likely get banned. So like I said, it's very important you create a landing page for the content locker. As you can see right here, you can use Google Sites if you want, and also you can use other software like breezy.io, or you can use other builders like ClickFunnels, Builderall. All right, there are numerous landing page builders out there that you can use. All right, so all you just need to do is create a landing page for this product right here. So once you have the landing page built, then now you want to head over to this website right here. And also I must mention that you can create one landing page for every niche. Since this one we are picking the affiliate marketing niche, as you can see right here, we've chosen a product already. So all you need to do is create a landing page for this product. All right, so it's very simple to create a landing page. It's very easy. All you need to do is just download this image and drop it on the landing page builder, and add a click here link at the bottom of the image. All right, so if you do that, it's going to direct people to the content locker you made on whatever CPA network you decide to work with. I hope that makes sense. All right, so once you have that done, all you need to do now is, you can see there's a question here that says, how can I start affiliate marketing? So you want to literally copy this question, and you want to go back to this software right here, writesonic.com, and then you want to paste in that question right here. So once you paste the question right here, you want to click on this generate purer answer. All right, it's going to take a few seconds to create the answer. As you can see right here, you can see it generated 2 answers that you can use for absolutely free. It took only about 10 seconds to generate this answer. So all you literally need to do from here is to copy this answer. All right, so all you just need to do is copy this answer, and you want to go back to Quora, and then you want to answer this question. You want to click on this answer section right here, how can I start affiliate marketing, and you want to paste this answer right here. And also you can type in something simple at the bottom. All right, as you can see, you want to type in something simple like this. If you are looking for passive income method, this would be the best place to be. And all you just need to do is highlight this section right here. You can highlight the whole call to action here if you want, but I'm just going to take this section right here, and you want to click on this font icon right here, and then you want to insert your landing page URL right here. So basically all you want to, so I'm going to be taking this one here as an example so I don't make this video too long. So I'm just going to copy this landing page and paste it right here, and then you want to click on add. So once you click on that, you can see right here, you can see if I click on the link, you can see it brought the link to this landing page. And all you want to do from here is click on post. And also before you click on post, note that you can copy this section right here and you can paste it at the top of this answer. So it's up to you with whatever position you want to have this call to action, or you can paste it at the top or you can paste it at the bottom of the answer. All right, so I'm just going to cut this and I'm just going to paste it at the bottom. All right, so literally you can paste it at the top or at the bottom, whichever one you prefer. And all you need to do from here is click on post. All right, as you can see, I have posted this answer, and it's also, you can see here, Quora did not ban me or block me from posting this answer. If someone comes to this question, how can I start affiliate marketing, and they come across your answer and they click on the link right here, so I'm going to click on this link. As you can see, it brought me to this landing page. Like I said, I know this is not the landing page to this product, I just used it as an example. So like I said, you can create a real landing page on Google site or on breezy.io. So basically you can see right here, my answer did not get banned or blocked. So literally this is the same process you are going to repeat for all of these questions right here. All you just need to do is paste it in writesonic.com, and you can just literally copy and paste, and you can do this all day. I guarantee you, if you keep at it, if you remain consistent, you will definitely make passive income, because this link is going to stay on Quora forever, and these questions get thousands of views every single month. So basically that brings us to the end of this video, and if you find any value at all, please leave a like on this video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.